Let's try out this addition word problem. So a man plucked 435 mangoes from one tree, 450 mangoes from the second tree, and 295 mangoes from the third tree. Find the total number of mangoes plucked from the trees. So to do this, all we need to do is add the three numbers together. So I'm going to put my 435, and I'm paying attention to the place values of the next number. So 450 plus 295. So all my numbers are aligned according to their place values. So let's start. 5 plus 0 is 5, plus 5 is 10. Let's regroup. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 5 is 9, plus 9 is 18. Let's regroup again. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 5 is 9, plus 12 is 11. So the total number of mangoes plucked is 1,180 mangoes.